Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to sell Ethereum on blockchain.com. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store and download the blockchain.com application. Now, when you did that, you just need to go and log into your profile. But guys, if you do not have one, you can always go and register to blockchain. So guys, now that you got that out of the way, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So first of all, we can see that we have the account and the DFI wallet up here that you can go and switch from. In the bottom, we have the home, prices, and earn button. Now, also what we need to see, we have the top left corner where we have your profile. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and sell Ethereum on blockchain.com. First of all, you need to go and log into your wallet via the browser because it's much simpler to do it there. Then click the trade button in the top right corner and select the sell option. After that, you just need to go and select the cryptocurrency and wallet account you'd like to sell from. So basically this is for Ethereum, so that's what you need to click on Ethereum there. Then just enter the amount you'd like to sell, denominated in crypto or your local currency. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel and put the notifications on, as guys this really helps us grow this channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be highly appreciated by the whole team if you could do this. So guys, as I said, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Bye guys.